What's up, Team DO5? Now, I don't usually do this early in the morning. It's straight up early in the morning. Cody, give the dogs water. It's early as hell in the morning.
We just woke up.
And, Mommy of 5 left some fan mail on my desk, and it's open on the top because I told her to open it up because the package looks weird, but wow. Why do you have a girl scrunchie on your arm?
I made this.
Take that crap off your arm. You're not a girl. From VITIN. I can't really read it. The Daddy of 5 and Mommy of 5 and boys, all the kids. Please, when you read this, all the kids and Dad and Mommy of 5 to be there. They're all in school right now. A lot of damn games. He lists all the games, it looks like. It's really hard to read, and I'm really sorry. I can't read all of this. So some of the games are for some of the kids. For the bigs. Lego Batman, the video game for Alex, please. Please take care of these things because I don't know what it says. You guys are
I was about to go over there.
awesome. I guess that's what it says. Sincerely, Nighton. Just said about him not giving the dogs water. Do you think he went in there and gave the dogs water? No, he didn't. I know he's gonna be bad at school today. I just got the biggest damn feeling. Taking him to school now. Ah, I hope today gets better, damn it. And it's light. It's dark outside, it's gloomy. Let's hope today gets better, guys.
Is that copyright music?
See when
You all are downstairs yelling like a bunch of baboons.
Look at this thing of brown.
We wasn't rolling.
What?
She told you.
Okay.
I wasn't. It was Cody. I mean it.
Why do all of you think I want to argue and debate? If I said you did it, you did it. You're not going to change my
No.
mind. You don't need those cards. Take the
Are you
cards.
Miss
from him.
Jealous over
He's not
there?
going to sit over there playing some damn cards.
Is Dad mad?
Now throw him in the
How your wrist is feeling better?
throw him in the
Yes, he
fireplace.
said it's feeling
No.
better.
Yes.
I'm joking, Jake.
She missed Jealous.
French fries.
I don't want them. She can have them.
Dad, these aren't even Pokemon cards. These are all like code cards.
Give me him. Burn him.
So
Give them all away.
No.
Give them all away.
I wanted to buy a tablet so I could use them.
You arguing.
Dun, 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 dun. Emma, scoot in. Scoot in.
Man, you got Look at them. They're microwaving.
This is a safety hazard.
Look at those.
He's microwaving Pokemon.
Oh god, they're gone. They're goners.
They're not even going to do nothing.
Saving. Oh, I smell it. Saving.
No, stop. I don't want that shit stinking up my house. Reach in there and grab him.
I'm not grabbing my hand.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah,
Well, it was in the damn microwave.
Of all things.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa, they're hot.
Now they're all bent. Are you supposed to be touching that? Ah.
Hey, yell as loud as possible because that won't piss no one off.
Ow! I'm gonna punch you in the head.
Ow!
Yell as loud as possible because that won't piss no one
I'll
off.
let you put it on.
What do you think Kyrie is doing?
Someone else salty because they're sitting down?
No, I'm not salty at all. Get that camera out of my face.
No more, please.
Who's that?
Well, I
Look at
mean,
your-
they're talking like weird shit.
Yeet.
Stop!
100 fucking sentences right now. I will not yell like a dumbass. 100. Try about it. That will stop you from being punished.
But he can look good without scoring any points.
Savage. I don't care.
He could have 20 assists.
So you think Kai Green's gonna win?
It's not Kai Green.
Think he's finally gonna take out those?
Get that camera out of my face! Ryan, who do you think's gonna win? I freaking hate you so much! Ryan, who do you Can you tell him to get that camera out of my face? I'm not freaking
Okay. Emma. Emma.
Emma!
Emma. Go back there and walk the right way.
What's
No.
turning on you? You look like a damn suicide bomber.
Walk in the right way. Walk in the right way means being quiet.
Emma, you need to put them damn things in your feet.
Yeah. Don't walk on your toes.
Can you tell him to turn off the
No, I'm not telling nobody nothing when you're talking to me like that. You can't even look at me when you're talking to me. You're staring off into space.
Well, you don't need to record me when I'm doing sentences.
I don't
Perfect.
care. Then you
Stupid.
shouldn't act stupid and you won't be recorded. You know how we roll.
I'm acting stupid.
Somebody is stupid, they get recorded.
Go!
200. 200.
He didn't.
I freaking hate you!
Earlier, I showed his dad this thing.
She hates you, Dad.
Yes, I realized that. I felt bad after it.
Is someone
Said it 3 times after
hateful?
that.
No, I didn't.
Really, you laughing?
Doing so good.
Emma, you
She's
want
doing so
300?
good.
They took
Can you
the
tell
top
him,
off.
please
No.
stop?
Stop acting with
Okay,
that.
now she can hear.
I'm gonna just write down and get some done.
She's
Get
doing
the camera out of my face!
Thank you.
Get up. Get up. We're having a talk. Turn the fucking camera off. You're probably wondering what happened when I took Emma upstairs. Basically, I told him to turn the camera off, and I took her upstairs. And let me get this out of the way real quick. No, I wasn't choking the back of her neck. I just put my hand there to get her attention. That's all. I'm not choking her out. I took her up there and had a talk with her separate from everybody else because everybody else didn't need to be hearing all that talking that I was doing with her. Had a father-daughter talk to her, then we came downstairs and everything else was fine. Turned all the cameras off and stuff like that for the rest of the day, so I didn't really get any more footage because you could see how things were going and stuff, and I didn't want all that going on when we had family over. So that's all the footage I got, guys. So I'm sorry if the video is short or anything like that. I apologize. Everybody, for watching this video. I hope you all still enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to Mommy 05 and Mommy 05's channel, Daddy 05 Gaming's channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Daddy 05.